You may want to appear that you're still at home while traveling to access contents that are restricted to your home area. In this video, I'm going to show you a surefire way to keep your home presence while traveling. The normal wisdom is to sign up a VPN service and connect your devices to their servers in your home area. But this method suffers a few drawbacks. Google may force you to solve an endless number of CAPTCHAs. The IP address might be flagged for fraud because it's a commercial VPN IP address. Or it might be blocked completely by streaming services, banks, or company networks. These problems are neatly solved by running the VPN server in your home on your Wi-Fi router. Your remote connections through the VPN will be seen as coming from your home network, just like your home. And you can bring another router with you to act as the VPN client, so that any device connected to the second router is automatically tunneled home. Your working devices don't need to run a VPN, or they can run another VPN on top of the router-to-router VPN tunnel. Whenever possible, you should disable Wi-Fi on your devices and connect them to the travel router by wire for best location protection. Next, I'm going to show you how to set this up with two PCWRT routers. The VPN server router at home will be called Router H, and the VPN client router you take along for travel will be called Router T. In order to run a VPN server, you need a public IP address, which most ISPs provide. This step confirms that you have a public IP address. Open your browser. Go to duckduckgo.com. Search for MyIP. Your public IP address will be displayed in the results. Now log on to the router. Check the internet side IP address. If it is the same as the previous IP address, then you have a public IP address. Set up dynamic DNS. The IP address you received from your ISP is most likely a dynamic IP address. Dynamic DNS allows you to access your home VPN server with a domain name instead of an IP address. Go to the System Settings page. Enable DDNS, choose a domain name, then click Save. Start up VPN service. Go to the WireGuard settings page. Click on Server, then enable the service. You'll notice that the domain name is pre-populated. Check LAN, guest, and internet. Add a VPN client configuration. Download the configuration file, which will be used on Router T. Click on the download icon. You can enter a password to encrypt the file, but I'm skipping it this time. Let's move forward to set up Router T. The first thing is to change its LAN IP address to be different from that of Router H. Go to the Network Settings page. Since the last two numbers for the home router was 10.1, I will change them to 19.1 here. The router will reboot after I click Save. Configure the VPN client. Log in a router again with the new IP address. Go to the WireGuard page. Check the LAN box. Leave the guest box unchecked. Click the Add button to add a new connection. Upload the configuration file saved from the home router. Check the Auto Start box to auto start the connection when the router boots up. Check VPN status. You'll see a green dot next to the connection name when the VPN is successfully connected. The PCWRT router provides a very convenient way to switch VPN on and off. I'm going to show you how to do it next. As you can see, under the Enable for Network section, LAN is checked and Guest is not checked. That means when a device is connected to the LAN network, its traffic is routed through the VPN connection. But a device connected to the Guest network will not route its traffic through the VPN. So, how do I know if a device is connected to LAN or Guest? On the wireless settings page, there is a LAN tab and there is a Guest tab. When a device is connected to the SSID under the Guest tab, it is on the Guest network. When a device is connected to the SSID under the LAN tab, it is on the LAN network. So effectively, you can turn VPN on and off by switching the SSID your device connects to. For wired connections, you can achieve the same by switching the Ethernet port your device connects to. Lastly, I want to mention that the PCWRT router supports 3 VPN protocols, and you can configure your home VPN server to run the 3 protocols concurrently, giving you more choices for connecting back home.